Presenting a pre-owned 2012 Volvo XC70. This four-door wagon has a six-cylinder, 3.2-liter i6 engine, with all-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Volvo has less than 123,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 18 miles per gallon in the city, and 24 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, cruise control, power steering, external temperature display, moonroof, roof rails, body side reinforcements, child seat anchors, power door locks, stability control, traction control, wireless data link, power windows, and window defogger. Thank you for visiting Michael's Motorcars. Since 1996 we have been the Jersey Shore's premier dealership, specializing in quality automobiles at great prices, guaranteed financing available. Stop in for a test drive today or call 732-775-4444.